In a lush, verdant forest, by the banks of the sparkling River Rivel, lived a playful otter named Ollie. Ollie was known far and wide for his boundless joy and cheeky antics. One sunny day, the River Rivel started to swell, its waters rising to an alarming height. Ollie, with a mischievous twinkle in his eyes, decided to ride the waves, his laughter echoing through the woods. The river continued to rise, and soon the water overtook Ollie's burrow, flooding his home. Ollie, now realizing the danger, swam frantically to higher ground, but his laughter was replaced with fear. In the safety of the shore, Ollie pondered the events of the day. He remembered his carefree attitude and the consequences it had brought. A sense of wisdom filled him as he understood the importance of respecting nature's power. Otter Ollie then decided to share his lesson with the other woodland creatures. He told them about the river's power and the importance of respecting it, imploring them never to underestimate the consequences of their actions. From that day forward, the woodland creatures showed more reverence for the River Rivel. They learned to live in harmony with nature, understanding that their actions could have far-reaching effects. And so, the tale of Otter Ollie serves as a reminder to us all. To respect the power of nature, to understand the consequences of our actions, and to always learn from our mistakes. For in life, as in the river, we must learn to flow with the current, not against it.